romphre jakmani nokni hamjukno rang pushani bagui satok bitok budok buthat jakmani koktumarok jora kebengya bwrwi dofani o bebak jungjalno kwtal bisibai baksa yakak rwnani bagino MLA Sudip Barman khorang tisai bebak pandano luaijimu rwkha watui sal hamia phano lukorokni thani kebengmung wngyawi joto baksake o pandao yak ruwi kotor himbotok himlakya Robindra Bhavan bwskangni simi MLA Ashish Kumar Sahabo o pandao phai manjak phaikya thungkurung bodolni siljak mari gori henibo koklamo saka MLA Sudip Barman
কিছু ওয়াতে নিলে রিস্কটা
আমাদের পারমিশন দেওয়া হয়েছে তো আমাদের এই পথ চলা আমরা হাঁটবো আমরা ওইটুকু রাস্তার মধ্যে আমরা হাঁটবো সবাইকে অনুরোধ করবো আপনারা সবাই মিলে আমরা যেন পথ হাঁটি তো মিছিলটা এদিকে না বের হয়ে ফ্লেক্সটা যেন কেউ নিয়ে যায়.
And it's high time will come down heavily upon you if you don't bring in a change in your mentality. That was the sole intention. With that intention, we have organized this non-political group.
A lot of speculations were also associated. Why the speculation? How do you react to it?
Let us speculate. Those who want to speculate, they are at liberty to speculate. But the intention was very clear. It was as clear as crystal. Because I am a father of two daughters. I can see that pain or agony that disturbs them often when they see all this sort of news either in television or in social media or in the print media. They get really disturbed. I thought it would be my duty as a father, because like my two daughters, I see a lot of daughters, parents, they've come along with their daughters over here to raise a voice against those who commit crime against women. And if I can contribute even 1%, if I can bring in a change in the mentality of 1% of the population of the state and the country by organizing such programs, at least I am contributing to the society. And in the near future also, I'll be doing the same in other districts.
So your party, a section of your party was not in favor of it. What is the reaction to that?
This is not a party organization, so I don't bother who is happy or who is unhappy.
But at the same time, the law minister yesterday did a press conference in which he wanted to prove that the crime against women has come down. How do you react?
I don't want to get into the statistics, cheap statistics. Okay. No government, our Honorable Prime Minister has made it very clear that it is zero tolerance so far as crime against women is concerned. Fact of the matter is, things are still going on. It is not, no government will ask those mentally perverted people to go and do crime or rape my mothers and sisters, right? No government will do that. Every government, be it the Congress government, BJP government, CPM government, whichever government is there, each and every government would be asking or would like to bring down the crime rate so far as the crime against women is concerned. But things aren't changing. Things are moving on. So I thought if you want to bring in a change, or if you get to bring down all this crime level, then you have to bring in a massive social awareness campaign across the state. So I have done it over here, and there is a huge demand to organize the same in other districts too, which I will be doing it very shortly.
Are you overwhelmed with the response?
Yeah, it is. You have seen probably the amount of crowd that swelled up when we were crossing the streets.